Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna take a look at one more smartphone. This is Samsung Galaxy A22, a smartphone that we haven't taken a look from the A series because we almost reviewed all of the A series by Samsung. This one is left and one more, A03s, that we'll take a look next time. This phone has impressive features and it has a lot to give for its little price. Let's unbox it and check out in more detail. And if you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Let's take a look at the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A22. The typical box with the two stripes. We remove them. We open. This is the pocket with the documents. Warranty card, quick start guide. The charger, 15 watt fast charger. USB Type-C cable. The phone itself. I love removing this, I say it every time. Sorry about my fingerprint. And here is the phone. This is the black version. It's pretty. It's pretty phone. It's also available in a couple of colors: green, lilac, black and white, or the typical colors for the A series. Now let's proceed with the design. The weight of the phone is 186 grams. We have built glass front, plastic frame and plastic back, the typical build for the Samsung A series. It still looks nice quality plastic, by the way, with curved edges, very convenient to hold in the hand. It's a sleek design. Thin bezels, classy design. Let's take a look at the SIM card. You can take up to 2. This is the volume up and down button and the on and off button with the fingerprint sensor, which is very accurate and fast. That's untypical actually. Now the audio jack, the charging port and the speakers. Pretty basic phone. After the design, it's time to take a look at the display. Even though this display is something that we have took a look multiple times before because it's Super AMOLED with 90 Hz refresh rate, is a typical Super AMOLED Infinity Samsung display, but let's say it once again for the new ones. Now the display of Samsung Galaxy A22 is 6.4 inches, Infinity U display, Super AMOLED, 90 Hz with up to 600 nits of maximum brightness. We have light and dark themes. You can choose the refresh rate from high to standard. You can see how convenient and fast it is. Eye comfort shield. The thing I like about this Samsung A series is that you can customize your beautiful display with enormous quantity of wallpapers that you can choose. The display is perfect for watching videos, movies. The contrast ratio is huge. Just notice how deep the blacks are compared to the other colors. This has always been a signature of Samsung with their deep contrast. Sometimes I feel like their contrast is a little bit popped up than normal, but it's okay. I love watching my Turkish series on it. Now the configuration. This A22, A32, A03s, all of them are supplied with processor from MediaTek. Here the processor is MediaTek Helio G80, 8-core processor. MediaTek Helio is not the best processor to have into a phone. You can choose from 6 or 4 GB RAM storage, some benchmark scores, but it's not bad still. You can get the phone in 64 or 128 GB version for the internal storage, and of course we have the micro SD slot, and you can optimize it even more. The operational system is Android 11 with the interface of One UI 3.1. Nothing new. Now let's take a closer look at the camera. We see the block with the 4 cameras. Actually 3 of them are cameras, one of them is the depth sensor. Unlike the other phones like A32 and A12, here we have optical stabilization during HD video and photos. The front camera is 13 megapixel, and I got impressed from the low light pictures made with this phone. You can see some samples here. Time with the photo shoot with my beautiful cat. Here I use the main sensor, 48 megapixel. You can use the all of the megapixels, so you can just use the main mode that is 12 every 4 combined into one. The pictures are crystal clear. The optical stabilization, image stabilization is nice. You can see the details and the beautiful colors. Some snow and cool car in a house with the ultra wide camera. Macro lens is amazing for 2 megapixels, such a detail. I see perfectly everything. Samsung are another level with cameras. I can see the reflection in the cat's eye. It's so impressive. Night mode, and by the way, this is not 8 o'clock, it's like 10, 11, 10. Selfie camera, ignore my ugly selfie. It's 13 megapixel, and video stabilization 1080p enabled and disabled. Now of course it's time for a gaming test, and this time I will test the phone with Mobile Legends because a lot of you ask me to play Mobile Legends, not PUBG this time, but for the fans of PUBG I can make a separate video just playing PUBG. Now it's time for some gaming test with Mobile Legends. I have never played this game before. Smooth animations, smooth movement, everything provided by the processor. I don't know if this game is exactly heavy on phones. I have not noticed lag till now, maybe a little bit in the beginning. The processor is not a gaming processor, this is processor for basic normal tasks. If you want to ask me which is the best phone from the A series, I would definitely say A52, because the price ratio and the specifications are in, I don't know, quantity, quality, everything you want. Not that this phone is bad for 200 euro or even less if you can find it, but if you give little bit more you can get the more better one if you want. Anyway, this phone is for people who just want to have nice experience with display, with motion smoothness while reading news and stuff. I don't think that they will do very heavily graphic tasks on it, so they would count on the processor. Victory! And last but not least, the battery. Battery here is 5000 mAh, big battery, stable battery. It's sure that your phone will be with you all day long, even 2-3 days. It depends how you use it. If you speak all day long, if you watch videos and you play games, of course you will have to charge it more frequently. There is 15-watt charger included in the set. So this phone is a pretty sweet spot for the price. Tell me what do you think in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media, especially in TikTok. I know a lot of my TikToks are in Bulgarian, but soon I'll make a separate account for you guys. Thank you.